A dreamy 2-day getaway in Positano, Italy, the ultimate travel guide for couples. Perched on Italy's stunning Amalfi Coast, Positano is like stepping into a dreamy postcard. With pastel buildings cascading down cliffs, turquoise waters, and intimate winding streets, this town isn't just a destination, it's an experience. Ready to plan the perfect romantic getaway? Let's dive in. Begin your day at Spiaggia Grande, Positano's iconic beach. Dip your toes into the sparkling Mediterranean waters. Snap pictures with the colorful hillside as your backdrop, or rent a sun lounger for a relaxing morning. Feel the romance as the sound of the waves sets the tone for your adventure. After soaking in the serene vibes, grab a cappuccino and a freshly baked cornetto at Cafe Positano, located just a short walk from the beachfront. The view itself is enough to make you linger just a little longer. Head next to the stunning Chiesa di Santa Maria Assunta, home to Positano's iconic green and yellow tiled dome. Step inside to marvel at historic artifacts and the beloved Black Madonna icon. The peace within the church provides the perfect break from Positano's bustling streets. For lunch, reserve a table at La Tagliata, a charming restaurant nestled high above the cliffs. Serving locally sourced, authentic Italian dishes like handmade pasta and roasted vegetables, their set menu is a treat for the taste buds. Bonus, the breathtaking cliffside views will leave you both speechless. As the golden hour sets in, take a blissful stroll along the path of the gods, offering unmatched views of the coastline. Wind down with an aperitivo at Franco's Bar, famed for its chic ambiance and creative cocktails. Let the evening end with laughter, connection, and stargazing over Positano. Your second day begins on the water. Rent a private boat or book a guided tour to explore hidden coves and pristine beaches such as Arienzo Beach. Don't miss the opportunity to swim in the shimmering depths of the Mediterranean. It's an unforgettable bonding experience you'll share forever. Back on land, wander through Positano's labyrinth of streets, filled with charming artisan shops. From hand-stitched sandals to high-quality linen, you'll find treasures for both of you that capture the essence of Italian craftsmanship. Stop by Cassola for stunning Amalfi Coast ceramics you can use as keepsakes. Hop on a small boat with a red fish flag from the beach to Da Adolfo, a rustic hideaway perfect for a couple's retreat. Indulge in the freshest seafood, grilled prawns, calamari, and lemon-dressed fish, paired with chilled white wine. The privacy here makes it an ideal romantic lunch. Take a short ride from Positano to Fiordo di Furor, a hidden fjord with stunning cliffs and turquoise waters. This natural gem makes for a mesmerizing escape from the busier parts of the coast. Don't forget your camera. Every corner here is Instagram-worthy. Your trip concludes with an elegant dinner at the Michelin-starred Ristorante La Sponda, located inside Le Cyrenus Hotel. Illuminated by 400 candles, the romantic ambiance is hard to beat. Feast on exquisite seafood risotto or tender ravioli, and toast to love with a glass of Prosecco. While in Positano, elevate your couple's retreat with luxurious accommodations. Check out Le Cyrenus, known for its timeless charm and world-class service, or Hotel Villa Franca, an intimate property with sweeping views of both the town and sea. For a more budget-friendly option, Casa Bonacore offers cozy vibes perfect for unwinding. Best time to visit. Spring and early autumn offer stunning weather without the intense tourist crowds. Packing essentials. Comfortable shoes for those steep streets, chic resort attire for dining, and swimsuits for all that sunbathing and swimming. Getting around. Explore Positano on foot, or opt for scooters and local ferries to visit other Amalfi gems. Reservations. Book tables at popular restaurants, especially for dinner, as they fill up quickly. Positano isn't just a destination. It's a feeling of love, adventure, and sheer beauty. Whether it's indulging in mouth-watering Italian dishes, walking hand in hand along pristine beaches, or gazing at breathtaking sunsets, This town is an unmatched haven for couples. Pack your bags and take the first step toward turning this dreamy Positano itinerary into reality. Subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration, and don't forget to share this guide with your travel partner. Your adventure awaits.